Oh no. She better not have. Honey, if this is what I think it is, you're done for. Okay guys, welcome back to Our World Outdoors. I'm Tony. And I'd like to tell you what I have, but obviously the title will tell you, but I don't know at this point. So here's the deal. Got the new GoPro going. You know, we got the gimbal. We got the Samsung S7 we use for cameras. Got all this camera gear, battery packs. You know, all this stuff that needs carried. When it's all inside the backpacks, especially with our new frameless ones, it's a pain to get to. It's just not a good setup. And you really don't want it outside on the mesh. So, I told my wife I was looking for some kind of bag to put all this camera gear in. So her first suggestion, and I don't even want to say the word, because every time I say the word, a little clip pops up and yeah, you'll see when I say it. Fanny pack. Yeah, so you see why I don't say that word. And I'll try to say it as few times in the video as I can, because that will continue to happen. So, I told her I needed a bag, and she joked that she was going to get me one of those. And I told her, there's no way I will wear that. That should have died in the 80s. That was a terrible style choice back then, and it's an even worse style choice now. I don't know who thought that was a good idea to bring that back, but that is not for me. That is not something that I would wear back then, and not something I'd wear now. I understand that it's nice to be able to grab those stuff. My pack has pouches on the side of the belt. That's good enough. Now, she says she's got the solution. So we're going to see what she bought us here and see what it is. And hopefully it's not a fanny pack. Man, I got to stop saying that. Anyways, let's open it up. Oh, it's looking like it. No. Looky there, guys. That's the 3FUL bag made of x-pac. This is awesome. Look at that. Tell me that's not sexy. Okay, so you got a corded, here's a padded strap section, and then it's corded. But what I will tell you about this is it's got the D-rings here. So you could put clasps on there and clasp it to your cross piece on your chest mount on your backpack. Or you could wear it like a man purse over your shoulder like that. You know, keep your camera gear in. I'm sure we'll come up with some combination, but look at this thing. Now, I don't know if you can see it. I'll try and put it up closer. That's a waterproof zipper. That's a waterproof zipper. So, inside, you've got a compartment with a separator. So you got two compartments inside. That'd be nice. And then a completely different one up front. Alright, the one thing I will say is the inside is not seam taped, but I can fix that nice and easy. But generally speaking, it is X-pac, so it's laminated. So, and it is their version of it. If you buy a product like this that's American made, it's going to be a higher quality, but it still serves the same purpose. It is essentially waterproof. We'll call it heavily water resistant once I seam tape it. That's what we'll call it. And it has flares on the bottom too, so it can self-stand and expand. Nice. So, let's see if we can figure out what the weight is on this. Okay. Not touching. 0.149 of a pound. Let's kick that down. Ounces. .39 ounces is what this weighs. Now, you can get rid of this, and I'm sure make it much lighter. Let's see what happens when we take it off. I can't see it. 1.86 ounces. All right. Waterproof zippers. Multiple compartments. Expandable. A little bit of, you know, seam seal tape or just seam seal from the outside if you wanted. This thing's awesome. My wife is the best. And she didn't even get me a fanny pack. Oh, I said it again. I'm sorry, guys. So, here's what I'm going to say. These are, I think last time I looked from AliExpress, these are about $25 to $35, depending upon which store you get them from. They are on Amazon a little more, and they are on eBay just a little bit more. That said, I think that the quality and the size and everything makes it a great option if you need something quick carry. Like you could put your phone in the front section and your battery pack, and if your camera gear in here or snacks or whatever, I think it's just a great added option for stuff that maybe you wouldn't always carry. For us, this will be critical because our packs are already going to be loaded down for our foothills hike this fall. So this will be some extra room where we can bring stuff that I need to get to fast on the trail. I like the separation inside. Now, I've been joking and having a good time with people that carry fanny packs. Oh, I gotta stop saying that. But anyways, I've been joking with people about them in this video. The fact is, if you like them and if they work well for you, I support you in carrying that. It's just not a fashion sense thing for me. Fat man in one of those packs just doesn't look good. It's just not a pretty sight. So, and I know that Light AF's making those oversized ones that'll fit like an entire DSLR down in them. So that's pretty amazing. And they actually stand up. He does a good job. This is just an option, something a little different, something others would like. I just poke fun at that whole thing. It's just not for me. I'm not saying it's not for you. But also remember, we kind of follow the leader on gear, that one person or one group starts using a piece of gear and then everybody thinks they have to have that to be a good backpacker. It doesn't matter if you're pulling out a day pack and throwing a 10 in it. Whatever gear you got, just get out there and enjoy the outdoors and have fun with it like we try to do in our videos. Anything we do like this is not to make fun of people or be mean to people. It's just purely for just some humor, have some fun, try and make things a little more enjoyable and fun to watch, you know? Nobody wants to come watch a monotone YouTube video where they go, We want to have fun with this. So those of you that do love your little F-packs, more power to you. And it's awesome. And I'll stick to my, we'll call it man bag, camera, purse, I don't know. But whatever it is, I think this strapped on my chest or on my side will look a lot better on me than, say, a fanny pack. Why do I keep saying that? Until next time, guys, I'm Tony, and whether it's a fanny pack, a man purse, or whatever it takes, find what you need gear-wise and get your butts out on the trail. I'll see you in the next one.